Here are 5 mysteries which will leave you baffled and confused. They are a real head-scratcher. The Voynich manuscript. This 15th-century book, written in an unknown language and filled with mysterious illustrations, has baffled scholars for centuries. Its origin, purpose, and the meaning behind its cryptic contents are still unknown. Here are some key characteristics of the Voynich manuscript. Contents. The Voynich manuscript is written on vellum, parchment made from animal skin, and contains approximately 240 pages of text and illustrations. The text is written in an unknown script that consists of strange characters or glyphs, which have not been successfully deciphered. Language. The language in which the text is written remains unidentified. Many attempts have been made to decode it, but no consensus has been reached. Illustrations. The manuscript is renowned for its numerous colorful and detailed illustrations. These illustrations depict various plants, astronomical diagrams, human-like figures, and intricate patterns. Some illustrations are thought to represent alchemical or herbal themes. Age and origin. The carbon dating of the vellum suggests that the manuscript was created between the early 15th and early 16th centuries. As for its place of origin, hypotheses range from European locations to connections with other cultures, but nothing definitive has been established. The WOW! Signal. The WOW! Signal was a strong, narrowband radio signal detected on August 15, 1977, by the Big Ear radio telescope at Ohio State University's Perkins Observatory. The signal lasted for 72 seconds and appeared to originate from the Sagittarius constellation. It was named WOW by astronomer Jerry R. Emin, who was reviewing the data and circled the signal on the printout, adding the exclamation, "Wow," next to it. The reason it garnered so much attention and interest was that the signal had a very unusual and distinctive pattern, one that matched the expected signature of a potential extraterrestrial intelligent origin. The intensity of the signal was about 30 times higher than the background noise, which is significant in radio astronomy. However, despite extensive efforts to detect the signal again and investigate its source, it has not been observed since, and its origin remains unknown. There have been various hypotheses put forward, including natural sources, terrestrial interference, and even the possibility of it being an intentional communication from an extraterrestrial civilization. To this day, the WOW! Signal remains one of the most notable and mysterious events in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, and continues to spark curiosity and speculation among scientists and enthusiasts alike. Rupkund Lake skeletons. Rupkund Lake, also known as the Skeleton Lake, is a high-altitude glacial lake located in the Indian state of Uttarakhand, in the Himalayas. It lies at an elevation of approximately 5,029 meters, 16,499 feet, above sea level. The lake is relatively small, covering an area of about 0.12 square kilometers, 0.05 square miles, and it remains frozen for most of the year due to its high altitude. The lake gained its macabre nickname, Skeleton Lake, due to the discovery of hundreds of human skeletons and skeletal remains found in and around the lake's edges. These remains have puzzled researchers and sparked numerous theories and legends about their origins. The most widely accepted explanation for the presence of the skeletons is that they belong to a group of pilgrims or travelers who died in a sudden and severe hailstorm around the 9th century CE. The storm is believed to have been accompanied by large hailstones, which would have been particularly deadly at such a high altitude. The victims were caught off guard and likely succumbed to their injuries from the hailstones and the harsh conditions, which might have included freezing temperatures and high winds. The Tochi Pass Incident. In 1948, a British military convoy, while traveling through the Tochi Pass in North Waziristan, Pakistan, disappeared under mysterious circumstances. The fate of the convoy and the cause behind its disappearance remain unknown, sparking speculation and conspiracy theories. The Tunguska event, also known as the Tunguska Blast, was a massive explosion that occurred on June 30, 1908, in a remote region near the Tunguska River in Siberia, Russia. It is considered to be one of the most significant and mysterious cosmic events in recorded history. The explosion is believed to have been caused by the airburst of a small comet or asteroid entering Earth's atmosphere. As it descended through the atmosphere, the object disintegrated due to the extreme friction and pressure, creating a powerful explosion before it reached the ground. The Tunguska event is estimated to have released energy equivalent to about 10 to 15 megatons of TNT, making it roughly 1,000 times more powerful than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima during World War II. The explosion flattened an estimated 2,000 square kilometers, 770 square miles, of forest, uprooting and scorching around 80 million trees. Hope you enjoyed our video. Follow us for more interesting weekly content.